Kilmar Abrego Garcia could walk out of jail today, but not necessarily into freedom. The Salvadoran man, whose mistaken deportation earlier this year drew lots of national attention, is expected to be released from a Tennessee jail this afternoon. But questions remain about whether he'll actually stay in the U.S. long enough to face trial. Our Amelia Young, live from the federal courthouse downtown here in Nashville with what we can expect today. So what exactly happens, Amelia, after he's released?
Well, Ben, as soon as he steps out of jail, it's still expected that moment ICE is going to take him right back into custody. This is something that has been expected for much longer than just today when it's actually going to happen. But how it's going to happen, that's still uncertain. So Abrego Garcia faces 2 counts of human smuggling, pleading not guilty to both of those earlier this month. His attorneys argue the charges are an attempt to justify what they call a wrongful deportation to El Salvador back in March. On Sunday, a federal judge ruled Abrego Garcia doesn't pose a danger or flight risk and can be released while awaiting trial. But prosecutors pushed back, filing an appeal and warning that immigration officials could deport him before the case ever goes to court. The judge, though, has made it clear she won't intervene between the Department of Justice and Homeland Security. That means it's now up to ICE to decide if Abrego Garcia stays in the country or is sent out again, potentially before any jury hears his case. His conditions are going to be released through that hearing that's going to be happening later this afternoon. Of course, we'll be there bringing you the latest updates on air and online, so stick with us for that coverage.